क्या होता है, तो मैं मुबारक नज़ीर साहब से गुजारिश करूँगा मुअद्दबाना तशरीफ़ लाएँ.
My dear brothers and sisters, for the last 1 week, you heard about the terrorist attacks in Nairobi. Maybe hundreds of people have been butchered. Then we heard about what happened in Peshawar. Hundreds of innocents as a result of a sick ideology. They have forgotten the teachings of Islam, the teachings of humanity. Have they not read the Holy Quran, which says that the killing of one innocent person is as if you have killed the entire humanity? How many humanities have we killed? I am a representative of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat in the whole of Canada, and I have been sent to come and offer my condolences. I do not know whether I have to offer my condolences to you or you have to offer your condolences to me, because I'm a disciple of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Even this morning I was reading the Bible. The Holy Quran says, Fiye hudam wa noor. It contains guidance. It contains light. That is what the Holy Quran teaches. You kill and butcher people. Their parts are smeared on the walls. Look at the beautiful church they built in Peshawar, which resembles more like a mosque, with the domes and the minarets. On the same day, ladies and gentlemen, when this Peshawar massacre was being staged, on that same day, on that Sunday, the so-called Muslims, led by the so-called clerics, the mullahs, who are a blot on humanity, who are a blot on Islam, who are a bad spot on the fair face of Islam. They brought their throngs and people and they said the minarets of the Ahmadiyya mosque have to be demolished, otherwise we will kill these people. That same day they demolished our minarets. They demolished our domes. You must have heard, in Peshawar, more than 75, maybe 80 people have been butchered. Not long ago, they attacked the Ahmadiyya mosques in Lahore, 2 Ahmadiyya mosques in Lahore, in one day. And 86 of our members, they entered our mosque. People were prostrating before Allah. As my Sikh brother, where have they come from? What's wrong with humanity? Which DNA? Which genes? My sister said, I am ashamed. I am also embarrassed. I have had the opportunity of speaking maybe countless, symposiums, defending Islam. Instead of showing the beautiful teachings of Islam, we spend 75% of our time just defending Islam. These terrorists always keep us busy. We were just guests on this planet, on this small planet. We were guests. As one of the speakers was saying, we come today, tomorrow the pallbearers come. We are all on a moving belt. You see maybe 100 people sitting over here. A time will come when none of us will be here. Maybe the mosque is filled up. Maybe the temple is filled up. Maybe the church is filled up. All gone. We're all travelers. Why destroy the peace of the world? My wife tells me, please put off the radio, put off the TV. I cannot watch this massacre. She sometimes, many times, she goes upstairs. She says, "How do you? What is the liver you have of watching the wails of these women, the cries of the babies, the people crying, and on the name of God, on the name of Islam." I do not know. You keep on praying. We also keep on praying. Our slogan, love for all, hatred for none. We hate their acts. These are people who are misled by the mullahs. They came to our mosques and killed our people, and you saw the flesh of our martyrs sticking to the walls, sticking to the roof. We caught them. We caught those terrorists, handed them over to the police. Nothing happened. How can I open my bosom? I am wounded. I am panting for breath. Muslims? Human beings? May Allah have mercy. When God is just. And He does not sleep forever. His sense of justice is such that He does not sleep forever. There is a time of reckoning. And as those corpses in Peshawar, as they were being paraded and were taken to the graveyard, as a Muslim, I'm the head of a very great religious organization. I was praying for each and everybody. That, oh Allah, have mercy. They are martyrs. And one of our leaders, the Khalifa, has said, "Khun shaheedane ummat ka ए कम नजर राएगा कब गया था जो अब जाएगा." When was the blood of the martyrs ever spill in vain? The blood of the martyrs will show one day. खून शहीदान उम्मत का है कम नजर राएगा कब गया था जो अब जाएगा. तेरे देखते देखते हर शहादत फूल फल लाएगी, फूल फल जाएगी. You are our very sincere brothers. May Allah bless you all, and we thank you very much for the time that you have given us. We are human beings. Let's come together. The blood color is the same. Maybe the pigment of my skin is different, but we are all the same. Our ancestors were the same. We fought for that country. Our elders gave their blood for that country. So may the Lord richly bless you. May Allah Ta'ala richly bless you. And I thank you all for the attention, and in particular, the organizations who allowed us to come over here. Thank you much.
शादाब खोखर तशरीफ लाएंगे.
As Mubarak Nazir Sahib just shared with us that on the very same day a Ahmadiyya mosque was attacked. Very sad to hear that. Please, we offer our condolences to you as well. As you said that yes, you are wounded, and I share the feeling with you that yes, we are commonly wounded.